HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is HIMS and HERS health stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. And bro, as the only person in this space has done this over 43,000 videos in 5 years and documenting everything, I have seen what's printing and what's not. So put it very simple. Great 8% up. It's just that I got this like swing that I got here is already called out in the Discord, which was so fire, and then my break even got kind of hit there, and then I was like looking for more doubling down sessions if there is a solid double break, and we're still yet to get something like that, which I'm not going to immediately buy because, you know, don't fancy the price that much. I'll still be looking for those pull downs and a confirmation, but I'm just saying this can be a start of something big. I'm just not desperately waiting, but I'm just patiently waiting. So stay tuned, this could be juicy. If you want to stay tuned with HIMS and want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. It's free.